Hey, let's go see the troll train. What do you say? So I thought we'd go out this evening and just take a little, a quick run in the Chig boat, whatever you want to call it. I haven't really been out much in it this year, but what we're going to do today is we're going to zip up the mighty Opequon Creek and check it out. It's actually a little bit flooded. It's probably up about 2 feet right now, so we shouldn't have any worries about like running aground on a sandbar, which gets pretty shallow in the summertime. I just came in off the Potomac. I got a little bit of footage. I don't know if it turned out, but we're going to go ahead and fire the boat up and go upstream for about an hour. What do you say? See how far we can get. Can you see me now? All right, let's do it. You know, I guess one thing we need to be a little bit careful about is submerged trees, because there are a lot on this creek. Hopefully, we'll see them before we hit them, like that tree right there. But there's actually ones that go all the way across the creek. At least there were about 5 or 10 years ago. But we'll find out. What do you say we keep going? Hopefully it gets to be a little more exciting than this. That's going to have to be about a turnaround point. That's the troll train. That's the stone bridge up in Martinsburg, West Virginia. A little bit under half right now. I did bring an extra gallon, so we should be fine to get back to the boat ramp. But there was a bunch of kids fishing on that bridge up there. I don't know if you saw them, and I was afraid to go under the lines. Got to turn around anyway. Hey, let's go see the troll train. What do you say? Any second now. We had to turn around anyway, so we might as well do this. Gotta hope I don't crash into the bridge. That's actually the old B&O Railroad of Baltimore, Ohio. It was built in like the 1840s. It was here during the Civil War. In fact, there was a lot of fighting around here. There were forts right up here. So yeah, pretty active place. I better get my acting game before I crash into the bridge. There we go. Might as well beach it. Alright, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and top her off, and we'll head back. And boy, that was a quick run. It was fun, but it didn't last very long, did it? Alright, so it's topped off. Looks like it's about 3/4 full, so we're fine. No problem at all getting back. I know it doesn't seem like we've been on the river that long, but to be honest with you, I had to put in on the Potomac quite a ways downriver, and then just work up to the flat water till I got to the mouth of the Apeckin. And well, here we are. So that's been our journey on the mouth of the Apeckin. I'll shoot some more on the way down, maybe a little on the Potomac, but I guess we best be getting a move on. Sun's at the top of the tree, so it won't take long for it to go down. But it won't take long for us to get back to the boat ramp either. This thing flies like the wind. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck. If you're with a Chig, you're going to need it. Well, we made it to the Potomac, and what we're going to do is we're just going to shoot back downstream to the boat ramp and call it a day. Mighty Apeckin.